outside, painted skies, here comes the light. It's in your eyes, and it pulls the ocean tide.
You want to earn some beads?
Fall asleep. Don't wake up from this dream. You're playing on repeat. Feel cold all night.
Finishing board. Okay. Not the finishing board though.
Vanessa did a good job getting all this stuff done today. While she was up here, Dad and I were downstairs. We got a new furnace hooked up. Go check that out. This is the new furnace. This was the old furnace, incredibly old and ugly. We purchased this unit off of Amazon. They sell them at Lowe's and Home Depot, but it's a Rinnai. I can't remember the exact model offhand, but I'll put the link in the description. And then we hooked up some new galvanized pipe because it was pretty old and looked pretty rough back there. I don't know if you can see it, but we got all that. New hose, new shutoff valve. You can kind of see the venting back there, but it seems to be working really well. The air that's coming out of it is extremely warm. I think here is where the air intake is, but it's blowing out very hot air. We had a different model that we had actually purchased and returned. It was called a Martin, and we had the hole from this furnace right here. And once we got the template up and hung the furnace, we noticed that it wasn't within the guidelines of the clearances to combustible materials. So when we had it using that existing hole, it was too close to that drywall there, which is considered a combustible material. And the reason we went with that one is because we really wanted to try getting away with not having to drill another hole into the wall like we did with this one. But we couldn't find a furnace that we could use to use that existing hole, so I ended up going with this Rinnai.
Look outside, painted skies, here comes the light. It's in your eyes, and it pulls the ocean tides. Feel cold all night.
get this wall done, about half of that wall. We made a large purchase of lumber because we're doing the shiplap all upstairs as well as in the kitchen. All the lumber was supposed to be here 2 days ago and only like a third of it has showed up, unfortunately. So it looks like we're gonna have to wait to continue up here finishing the walls. We also have all of in here yet to do. These boards were left over. They're all crappy boards that aren't really usable, or they're damaged towards the bottom, or something's wrong with them. So, you know, we still got a lot of shiplapping to do up here. But I think it's gonna look great. We're gonna do probably a 1x3 trim up here, and then a nice baseboard trim towards the bottom. It's been hard to get materials and stuff ordered. We were supposed to get a shed delivered today, a 10x12 shed from Lowe's, and that won't be here, and that was delayed until the second week of December. And then we're also supposed to get some appliances delivered today as well, and that got pushed back to the second week of December. So this is really all we can get done for probably today and the next couple of days.
When you're only counting time till the continents collide, but out your window, going somewhere new, I see it through. And the hand of fate that I drew had me down and out, but I've come to. And yeah, I poured out my soul, what I can undo,
I'm disgusting.
but I see it through. Close to the truth, and the night is closing on you. And when you're feeling small, oh, you're bulletproof.
That's not bad. Alright? Crack yourself?
No.
Sure.
On my wrist. Do we have band-aids here?
No.
It's kind of deep.
And an I voted sticker.
I think this will work for now.
When you're only counting time till the continents collide, but out your window, going somewhere new, I see it through.
So what do you think you're thinking is gonna do this?
And the hand of fate that I drew had me down and out, but I've come to. And yeah, I
everything that we can do so far with the PEX piping in the kitchen. So now we're gonna go back upstairs and start working on the bedroom walls.
I know the skies will open for you, and the stars, they all turn blue. Let the morning sun come to your rescue. I'll see it through. And out your window, you're going somewhere new. I'll see it through. When the lies stick close to the truth, and the night is closing on you, and when you're feeling small, oh, you burn.
So now we are getting ready to prepare the tongue and groove for staining. So the first step is going to be to sand it all down, get a nice clean work surface to start. And then we're going to apply this wood conditioner. It's a pre-stain. So we apply it with a brush or a rag, let it sit and soak in for 5 to 15 minutes. We'll wipe down any extra, and then you have to apply your stain within 2 hours of applying this material. So that's the plan. We're going to sand everything down, go ahead and put the wood conditioner on it, and hopefully we'll get to staining today.
Why'd you stop?
Because I can't speak.
Oh.
Are you enjoying your crackers?
They're okay.
So I just wanted to give a quick update on this Rinnai furnace. What's so funny?
Take 57.
Alright, I just wanted to give an update on this. Alright. I just wanted to give an update on this furnace. We've had it installed for probably like 4 or 5 days now, and the cabin is staying very warm. God. Alright. We didn't get quite as far as we had hoped for this evening. Sanding and wood filling took a little longer than expected. We actually had to run to the hardware store and grab some more wood filler because we ran out, and that took some time. But it's getting a little late, so I think we're going to save the pre-staining and the staining for another day. So watch our next video just to see how this stain turned out. But I think that is a wrap for this evening.
Baby wants to go home. Let's go.